Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel. Today we're gonna looking at this paper is from South Africa, but you know maths already, guys. It's related. Maths is the same worldwide. So if you're in Africa, if you're in Jamaica, China, maths is just the same. Just that some persons might do it at a different stage. Alright, circle the letter of the correct answer from the question 1 to 30. And if you write the sum of the number that is equal to 6 units, 2 tens, 700, and 5,000. So already we know that it should be 5,000. So I think that's gonna give away the answer. This can only be C, right? Right, let's move on to number 2. Hit that like button if you're just joining. Number 2 says, which number in this number pattern is incorrect? All right, so let's see. So we start off with 7. We added 2 here. We added 3 here. They added 4 here. They added 5 here. So based on the pattern, they should add 6 here. So I would say this is incorrect based on the pattern. Each time they add 1 to the previous number that they added. So they add 2, then they add 3, then they add 4, 5. So this should be 6. So this should actually be 27. All right, let's move on to next one. What is the value of the underlying digit in 29,072? So 7 is underlined, that is in the tens, so that will be 7 tens. As I said, guys, it's a South African paper, but it's relatable to all worldwide. It's, yeah, no matter which country. All right, this one says, which of the following number is bigger than 765 million? 765 million. So that's A, 766. I feel look good enough, guys, because sometimes these number can be a bit tricky. All right. Next question says, was 39,569 rounded off to the nearest 5, 10, 100, or 1,000? Give an answer. Give an answer of 40,000. Oh, so they must say which one it rounded off to. Yo, it take me a while to get it. Come here and say, what is this? All right, so I would say 1,000. If it was the nearest 100, it would have been 39,600, right? Yes, it's 1,000. Sometimes the way questions are structured can be a problem, you know. All right, this one says, which fraction of the following 2D shape is shaded? So here we have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's a total of 6, and 3 out of 6 is shaded. So 3 out of 6 is the same as a half. So they break it down. So this would be this. The letters are a little bit off too. Right, let's move on to the next item. What is the ratio of the number of black to the number of white balls? The number of black. This is something that you will see on like the curriculum base. Not sure if you see this in Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah, but it's definitely something you'll see in the curriculum base. In fact, my math book that I've completed it has one of this. Well, more of this, but this type, because the curriculum base always questions students about it. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why we do that, guys? We're supposed to put the black one first. So we have 8 black, and of course 2 And then we count the number of whites. 1, 2, 3. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 8 to 4, but we're not gonna see 8 to 4 there, right? They turn on the 8 to 4. They're trying to trick you. So what we have to do, divide this 8 by 4 and this 4 by 4. So the final answer would be 2 to 1. Why? It couldn't be 4 to 8, guys. The order matters. The black must be at first. So they're actually trying to trick students by doing that. All right, let's look at this one. Which number sentence below has the same value as 5 times bracket 6 plus 2? According to the Bundas rule, we're supposed to work out what's inside first, right? So that would be 8. Oh, they didn't work out this. All right, well done. So we're just looking for that. Basically the same thing. Definitely C. Yeah. 6 plus 2 in the bracket. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, let's move on to the next item. There are 5 boxes, each containing 125 apples. What is the total number of apples? So all we have to do, multiply that by 5. Based on the answers, it has to be this. This is the only one that ends with 5, but still work it out, all right? So 5, 5, 25. So it's 2 times, what 2 times? You put the 2, carry the 5. 5 to 10 plus 2, 12. Definitely 5, 6, 6, 25. And of course, 5 ones 5, I will add 1 to give us 6. So it's 625. So that's E. Let's go, guys. Let's go with the live one if you have not done so. All right. Faiza opens a book. She multiplies 2 consecutive pages number and get 1,332. What is the page on the left hand? What is the page on the left hand? What is the left hand page number rather? So Faiza opens a book, she multiplies the 2 consecutive page number and gets 332, 1,332. Now they're saying is the what is the left hand page number? So you know our books there already, guys, right? So they have this is our book with the numbers. Why it has zooming? So we could just say something like this. So them multiply the two numbers and you get 1,332. So they want you to figure out what's the actual number on the left hand side. All right, so what we can do is simply divide 1,332 by 36. Let's see if that works. Because it's either 367. No, hold on. Let me see. End with that 2. 2, 6, 7, 42. It's 36, you know. I don't have to work it out. Because if it's 37 on this page, right? Listen to the reasoning. If it's 37 on this page and 38, it will have to be 38 on this page. So that means it has 8, 7, 56. So it wouldn't end with a 2. The fact that 6 sevens is 42, it means that it's 36. Because the number end with a 2, the product end with a 2. So a 36 times, 36 and 37. So what it really is, this has 36, and it's up on the left, and then this have 37, left on the right. Because I was thinking it could be 37, 38, based on the numbers, but no, because 7, 8, 56, it'll end with a 6. All right. Tozy saves are, I'm only that, guys, but as I say, it's a South African paper. So, look at us, $440. I don't know what the R represent. Tozy saved $440. Charlene saved double that amount. Charlene then spent $100. How much does Charlene have now? Choose the number sentence that can help you find the answer. So first, they say it should double. So if you double 440 times 2, well, they add. So you could add 440 plus 440. And if you spend 100, you're minus, it's definitely A. So all in the reading, guys. All in the reading. Make sure you guys read it carefully. All right, this one says, which one of the number pattern below contain multiples of 6? Multiples of 6 are going up by 6. So 6, 12. This one is fairly easy. We're going up by 12. So that by 6 rather. So 6, 12, 18, 24. All right, let's move on to the next one. Next one says, which operation sign should replace the asterisk to make the number sentence true? 8756. If you times 67 by 11, that's a big number. But if you subtract 6, yeah, and 1 from 65. So minus, definitely minus to make it true. To make it true, we make both sides equal to 56. And if we take away 67, take away 11, would actually give us the 56. All right, so there we have it, guys. There we have it. Minus. I like that. I like that. I like that. All right. Complete the simple form of writing the ratio. So we have 9 to 39 is, so we just need, there's no 9 to 39. So what we need to do, break it down. Find a number that can go into both 39 and that. So 3 can go into both of them. So 3 into 9, that's 3 times. And 3 into that, 13. So it's 3 to 13. All right, which of the following is the product of the prime factorization of 36. So we can actually look which one have prime numbers. These two have a prime number. Well, it's a prime number, but it have a composite. Anyone that have the composite, we can rule that out. We can rule out this as well. Yeah, and this as well. We can rule them out because 9 is a composite. So this would be the answer. But you can check 2 2s 4, 3 times 4, 12, 3 times that 30. All right, let's look at this one. It says, which rule would best describe the number sequence? So you have 525, then 550, then 26. Okay, cool. Then you have 625, 675. Now look at them at 25. Let me just double check. No, not at 25. They add 25 first and then they add 50. Yeah, add 25 and then add 50. See it here too? It's actually there. Alright, so that would be B. Let's move on, guys. Let's move on. This one looks like a pattern. It's a how many matchstick does she use to build the shape in the 20th position of the pattern below? All right, so this can be a little bit tedious. So this takes 4. So 4 ones, 4, 1, 2, 3. This takes 12. Let me say for 12. 4 years of 4 days of 12. Yeah. Let me just see if it's consistent. 1, that's a 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Very interesting. So you have a plus 8. So the pattern would be 8 and minus 4. Alright. Yeah, that's what the pattern. For the prep student, not sure how to explain that, but what you can do it your way, right? So what it is, each time you have 4, so each time you added 8, right? So you add 4, then you add 8. And then, of course, for this one now, for the 20th, it would have been 8 times the 20. That's 160 minus the 4. And we can check it with this. 8 3 is 24 minus 4. Give it that. 8 2 16 minus 4. 8 1 is 8 minus 4. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, that would have been 156. Very nice one. Let's move on. How many lines of symmetry does the rectangle have below? Guys, it's actually cheap one time. It's actually 2. Never made it yet, you know. It's just 2. The diagonal ones, they won't work. Alright, this one says, look at the picture of the house below. Which shape describes the shape of the roof? Or just the roof alone? So that look like a square base pyramid. But that's a rectangle. So I would say a rectangle base pyramid. It's not a square, but a rectangle. So definitely that one. Alright. Which of the following shape is a net of a square base pyramid? Yeah, square fidelity. So definitely square in the middle. And then the triangle part them. So yeah, that would have been this one. Is actually this one is D. I'm tempted to put this guys with them box here couldn't work, right? It's a triangle base, it's a one cube. That's in my math book as well, you know, guys. Everything in the everything. Alright, let's look at this one. It says identify the kind of angle shown below. Complete. It is identify the kind of angle shown below. Oh, they must say it is an obtuse angle, or it is an acute angle, or it is a right angle, or it is a reflex angle. Alright, so basically that would be an acute. And we know that an acute angle measures between 0 and 90 degrees. Alright. It says, which of the following diagrams show the top view of the given 3D shape? Now, the top view, it would see this. Them here, if you're at top, right? So 2, so that's my opinion. And then you got to 1 at the edge. I got to 1 at the end, right? Because of the top you see, and then you got to 2. Because of them here, I got to see them here. You must say top alone. Alright, and then I go see 1 here, so and then 2 more. You see the top. So the top, no, not this. That will be something like this. One single one, right? So something like this. That's, oh, I see. That's the answer. So that's D. Very nice question, though. Very nice question. I'm impressed with this one. All right, let's move on. It said Dix wants to watch a film that is between 1.5 and 2 hours long. Which of the following films should she choose? So it should be 1.5 and 2 hours. So in terms of minutes, that's a 90. I realize a minutes, a 90 to 120. Anything from 90 to 120. So 18, yeah. 60 minutes make a hour. So 1.5 would be, you have add an next 30, right? Everybody should know that. All right, let's go. 24 says a glass has a capacity of 250 milliliters. How many glasses can be filled from a liter bottle of cool drink? All right. So what it is, let me just type this. It takes 1,000 milliliter. So it takes 1000 milliliter to equal to just 1 liter. Why am I not seeing equal? Equal 1 liter. All right, cool. So 1000 of that. So all we have to do, divide this 250, this 1000 by 250. So that would give us 4. So it's 4 glasses. All right. All right. Let's move on to this one now. How many decades are in 2150 years? Now, decade means it takes 10 years to make a decade. So we're just dividing this by 10. So we just cross off 0. So that's what 215. Why do I have this? All right. I guess to check the students. All right. This one says, how much water is shown in the given figure? All right, let's just figure that out, guys. So we start at 25 and they end at 300. Let's see how many are actually between them. So we have, so this is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 25. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Can't see it. Can't see. I think they're going up by 25 too. Let me see, 25, 50, 75, 100. 100. All right, bam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 200. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'm gonna go with 100. So they're going up by 25. How many cubes were used to build the 3D shape shown below? So basically, guys, you just need 3 things to know how many go across like this. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. Let's go on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 by 5. This is like volume, right? And you see how many go up. Times it by how many go up, which is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6, 5, 30. 30 times 4. That would give us 120. So it's definitely 120. All right, so that would be our answer. Hit the like button if you have not done so, guys. Hit the like button. What is the mode of the following set of data? It's actually in ascending order already. So that makes it so much easier. As you can see, there are more sevens than any other. So the mode is the number that occurs the most. All right, let's move on. What is the median of the following numbers? Let's see if they arrange it in ascending order already. I think they did 39, 40, 42, 45, 46, 50. Yeah, it's already in ascending order. So we take 2 from this, 2 from this, 2 from this, and 2 from this. So definitely 45 is in the middle. I would have completed them. So me already know, guys. 45. So that would have been C. Right, let's look at the pie chart one now. It says the pie chart, hold on guys, hold on. The pie chart below shows how children in a class travel to school. Which of the following statement is true? More than half the learners either take the bus or cycle. More than half take the bus. I agree with that. More than half, yeah. Okay, check out the rest of them still. B says more than a quarter of the learners walk to school. No, that's a less. All right, cool. More than half the learners either walk or cycle. Walk or cycle. No, that's not true. See there? If it was half, half would have to come all the way down here. So, and them two are just big over quarter. More learners walk to school than come by car. Wow, no. So definitely A. So the first one was actually correct. So guys, 30 questions. And put my number for those who need it to next to try and join my class. All right. 876549261. Do not spend it out, no doubt. I'll see you guys in another video. Big up yourself, guys. Big up yourself.